Hey everybody, today we're going to make two recipes. One is a chicken herb sandwich and the warm napa salad, which that's with cabbage. First, I already cut the chicken away from my body and the bone. So now we're going to find, I need to find a measuring cup so that I can pour this in mayonnaise, but I don't get it too much. This could be done somewhere.
Alright, what you got next, boo?
Papa, I tried to find the measuring cups. Where are they?
Measuring cup up top. Top left. Yeah, that one. Look to your left side. Line olive oil, baby.
Next. Okay. We're going to scoop in about a quarter cup of mayonnaise.
That's about 2 big squeezes, boo. I told you it was 2 big squeezes. It'll be about a quarter of a cup. That's good. You might want a little more than that. And you need a spoon there, buddy?
Could you hold?
Here, I'll get that out for you. Or here, you can get that out. Grandpa will film. Watch as the chef prepares his lunch. Yummy lunch. Okay, set that aside. What's your next ingredient?
Next, we're going to need about. It says we're going to need about 2 tablespoons of the paste.
Just squirt it in there a couple of times, and that'll give you your measurements. This side has got the. Okay. There you go. How you doing? 1. Put another squirt in there.